If you want to learn how to highlight text in Filmora 10 like this, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you step-by-step how to add and customize a highlight effect. Let's get started. First, let's open Filmora 10 and set up a new project. Once Filmora is open, click on New Project to get started. Import your video clips into the media library and drag your chosen clip onto the timeline. Once your video is on the timeline, you're ready to start adding and highlighting text. To add text, go to the Titles tab located at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find several text templates. Choose one that fits your style and drag it onto the timeline above your video clip. Now, click on the text box to edit the content. Type in the text you want to display and adjust the font, size, and color to make it stand out. Position it on the screen where you want it to appear. Now go to Media and click on Sample Color. Add a color called blue to the second track of the timeline. Drag the chosen sample color onto the timeline and place it directly below the text layer. This sample color layer will serve as the background highlight for your first line. Adjust the sample color's size and position by clicking on it in the preview window. Resize it to fit perfectly behind the first line of text, creating a highlight effect for just that line. Now split the sample color according to the number of lines. I split it into 5 parts here because I have 5 lines. The first part of the color is in the right place. Go to the second sample color and move it to fit the second line of the text. Continue the same way for other lines. Now put a keyframe in the end of the first part. To do this, go to Animation and click Customize, add a keyframe and a keyframe in the start. Then double-click on the image and move the sample color of the first line from the right to the start. This will make it very small in the starting position, and so it will become an animation. In the same way, add a keyframes in all other lines. And that's it. Now you know how to add and highlight text in Filmora 10 to make your videos more impactful. Highlighting text is a simple but powerful tool to draw your audience's attention where it matters most. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.